No need to record any data here. We'll just take a little bit closer look at the reaction. This is iron 2 sulfate heptahydrate, which is used to standardize the permanganate. Manganese is an ion that is able to have many different oxidation states, 2+, 3+, 4+, 6+, and 7+. Of course, as potassium permanganate, it's in its 7+ oxidation state, making it good at being reduced and good at causing oxidation in other substances. The sulfuric acid is really important in this lab because it will force the permanganate ion to end up as Mn2+. The phosphoric acid can be helpful to keep the iron 2 sulfate from forming any iron hydroxide, although it's not particularly necessary. If you don't have phosphoric acid, you could get away with a little bit extra. I've used about 2 mils or so of 6 molar sulfuric acid, and this will ensure the formation of Mn2+, which is colorless, and when the iron is all used up, the Mn2+ won't form, and the faint pink color will persist, indicating the endpoint or equivalence point of the titration. If the acid is not used, the permanganate ion will end up in a 4+ oxidation state, resulting in the insoluble MnO2, which you can see shows up as an orange-brown precipitate, with no hope of getting to the proper equivalence point.